So welcome back to another video, guys. So today's video we're gonna be covering our roundabout, or actually two roundabouts together, and it's the Denham roundabouts that we're gonna be covering. It's part of the Uxbridge test routes. It is quite challenging as I see many people struggling, so I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna be using the 360 camera so you guys get a very good view of which lane I'm gonna be using and how to do them correctly. And hopefully by the end of this video you would have enough knowledge to do them by yourself. So let's crack on. Okay, so the first exit we're gonna be covering is gonna be the one coming from Denham or Ivor, and it's now approaching the roundabout. So I'm gonna check my mirrors, change the lane, because we're gonna be going right for Uxbridge. You can see the sign there. This is simple roundabout, left and right, but it gets complicated when you actually approach it. So there's 4 lanes. We're gonna be staying in the furthest one on the right near the curb. Check my mirrors, signal right, approaching nice and slow, in second gear. So it gives me time to check on the right. And if I see no one is there, I can keep going. I'm gonna stick to the right lane, carry on in the right lane, and finish up in the right lane. And then there's another roundabout. And from this one, we're gonna go in the middle lane, signal right, and we're gonna use the middle lane to go right. And from the middle lane, you're gonna go straight for the curb, and then you start turning around, and you're gonna stick to the left lane. It's starting, and both the middle lane and the right lane can come to this exit. So we're gonna use the middle lane, so we're gonna finish up on the left, and then obviously you're not gonna get any fault for positioning wrong or so on. Obviously later on the lanes will be merging, so that's not really a problem whether you're on the right or left. But if you're on the right and you do get undertaken, that's gonna be a serious fault for you. So you better do it the way I just done now. So you keep the middle lane and then you finish up on the left lane, so you're not risking any fault at all. So another way you could be approaching the Denham roundabouts for the Uxbridge test route is now from Uxbridge going towards the Denham roundabouts, and you could be following signs, could be following the sat nav, and this time I'm gonna be following signs for slow, which is gonna be a left and then a left again. So when you come here, you can see there's a board on the left and Slough is covered, but it's on the left. Simple exit, simple roundabout, left and right, 2 exits. We're gonna signal left, stay in the left lane, and this is a left only lane, so you can't go straight or right or anywhere from here. Check on my right as I'm approaching. If it's clear, I'm gonna carry on, but I'm gonna still keep my car slow because there's another roundabout, and again Slough is coming for left. So I'm gonna check on my right. I can see those cars coming quite fast. They're not coming my way. Okay, I can proceed. So the key really is here to just approach it slowly. As long as you're going to be approaching slowly, you're giving yourself time to check on the right whether there's cars coming or not, you'll be fine. But if you're just launching yourself at the roundabout and you're expecting the last minute, within 2 seconds you can make a choice whether you can go or not, that's going to be a wrong way to do it. And you're just going on luck, based on luck, on your skill. Have a template on how to do the roundabout. Have a fixed rule that whenever a roundabout is coming up, you're gonna go slow down and approach in second gear. That's the best way to do it. So we're going back again at the Denham roundabout, again from the Uxbridge side, and you're gonna see the sign now here on the right saying Central London is on the right. It's quite simple. Check my mirror, keep my position towards the right, and when I'm closer, I'm gonna check my mirror again, signal, go into a lower gear, so that gives me time to check what's going on. Seems clear to me, and I can carry on. Make sure you do check on the left just in case there's some idiots, and you're gonna stick to the right lane because Central London is gonna be for right, so you're gonna carry on the right lane. You don't want to start from the right lane there and then finish up on the left lane. And obviously you go here and then you're gonna have a traffic light, and at the second one you're gonna turn right and you're gonna be joining the dual carriageway. Now I'm gonna quickly go back to the dual carriageway and then do the roundabouts coming down from the A40 from the dual carriageway. So we had the Swikelis roundabout, which is also part of the Uxbridge test routes, and we'll be covering that in another video, but not in this one. Right now I'm just gonna make a 4th exit U-turn from the roundabout, and then I'm go back to the Denham roundabouts. So I'm gonna keep in the right lane, pass 1, pass 2. Once I'm past 3rd exit, I'm gonna check my mirror and come back on the left lane. So that's the 3rd exit, check my left mirror, signal left, and then I'm gonna carry on. So I'm gonna keep in the right lane, pass 1, pass 2, once I'm past 3rd exit, I'm gonna check my mirror and come back on the left lane. So that's the 3rd exit, check my left mirror, signal left, and I can take the exit outside. And then obviously you're joining the dual carriageway, so you build up speed accordingly. So now we're coming from the A40 going towards Slough, and this is the only way you could go because they will not make you go on the motorway. So you'll be following either sign for Slough or the sat-nav telling you to go on the exit for Slough. And you're going to keep the left lane here, because as soon as you approach here, you will see the board is going to tell you that Slough is on the left. And then obviously you got the triangle for the traffic light, warning you that there's going to be traffic light ahead. So make sure you slow down in good time and check your mirrors as you're slowing down. Now I can see the Slough is on the left there, so let's turn left at the traffic light and let's see if there's any other sign for Slough. So there's another sign and telling me the Slough is on the right. So I'm gonna keep it slow, signal right, checking my mirrors, and stay on the outside of the 2 lane that's going right. And I'm gonna stick to the outside near the curb, check my mirrors throughout the whole maneuver, and then again left. I'm gonna stay on second gear so I can have time to check what's going on my right. Clear. Okay, now I can give gas and I can go. And then obviously the speed limit is gonna go to 60, so you build up speed accordingly. And that's it. That's quite easy. Now the only one left to do is coming down from the A40 and going for Uxbridge, which is just pretty much simple. You're just going left. There's not much to do. Okay, so we go for Uxbridge now. Keep the left lane, signal left, check no one is there, and you're good to go. That is quite simple. So now that's the end of the video, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments below what roundabout I should be doing next. I'm going to be covering mostly first the Uxbridge ones, because that's where most of my students go for test, and obviously if our roundabout is not too far, I'll try to cover it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this, where I'm trying to cover the areas where people are struggling. And that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one.